Hi, my name's Martin Olsen, and I'm the CEO here at E1 Solutions. Now, we are the makers of Smart Connect, the world's simplest data integration tool for Dynamics NAV and any of its derivatives, aka Business Edition, and now for those of you that love Business Central. A little bit about E1. We've been in the market for 15 years. It's actually more like 20, I just don't like to admit it. We've got more than 20,000 Microsoft ERP customers using E1 tools. So we've been in this space for a little while. Now, one thing I've learned about this space is it's sensible to follow trends. Now, I've decided to apply that to my personal life. So I was reading a magazine recently, well, a few years ago now, and I saw this picture and it inspired me. I thought I need to get on this board with this man bun trend. Then I noticed other world leaders getting on board. So I figured this is something for me. First I saw this guy, and then as it developed, I saw this guy, and that developed into this guy. And I went, it's time for me to try and get on board. So 2 years ago, I decided that I was going to head to the man bun, and 2 years of passionately avoiding the barber and staying away from any hairdressing establishment, this is what I ended up with. Now, as you can see, I've got some work to do. Fortunately, at the same time, we noticed some trends around Microsoft and ERP. We saw something happening that we had to get on board with. First, we guessed that Microsoft wanted NAV as their cloud ERP. So we figured we need to get there as well. The second thing we noticed is that Microsoft and of our partners were starting to realize that less customization was a good thing. And that's where we got on board as well. So we developed Smart Connect. And Smart Connect is a non-developer tool that will let you build, manage, and control all of your data integration needs for NAV, whether that's CRM or whether that's integration to the greater world. So as you can see here, the very simple description is you can start with any data source. We don't care where your data is coming from. We can read it. We can then trigger that to run whenever you would like. We can transform the data as it goes through our system, and it can end up in any destination that you want it to. So whether that's taking data from Excel into NAV, whether that's taking data from Salesforce into Business Central, whether that's taking data from a homegrown system, grabbing the XML and bringing it into the system of your choice, you can draw a line on this diagram from any data source to any destination and build the most complex integrations without being stuck relying entirely on a developer. So if that's something that's of interest to you and you want to get on board and take a deeper look at Smart Connect, check us out at e1solutions.com. Get in contact with our team and we'd love to talk to you more. Thanks.